This is a HTC Evo 3D. Got it from my buddy. It's got a cracked glass screen on it. The screen seems to work fine. I didn't see any videos on YouTube about how to replace it. I've heard it's the same as the regular Evos. This is my first attempt at trying to get the screen out, so bear with me if it doesn't come out the first time. But I'll eventually get it out and show you guys that it's possible to change it. All I have is a little razor blade. I'm going to go right along the edge of the screen and the frame, trying to separate it, and then I will heat it with a hair dryer. Yeah, I know you're supposed to use a heat gun, but I don't have one. So this should work just as well. There's a couple weird issues with this phone. One of the ribbon cables, when I took it apart, looked like it had a hole through it. So I'm hoping that's all it was. What it would do, it would turn on like it should sometimes, and then other times the phone itself would turn on, but the screen wouldn't light up. The only thing that would light up would be these buttons, and the volume on the side would make noise and things like that, but there was no display. But if you let it sit overnight or for a couple hours and turn it back on, then it would be fine. I didn't see any internal damage on the motherboard, so I'm hoping when I get the replacement screen and replace this digitalizer on the front, everything will be alright. The screen's starting to come out now, so I'm going to get the hair dryer. Bear with the noise. Let's see if that helped or not. Seems to be separating fairly well. This is my first time ever trying to replace the screen or digitalizer on a cell phone. So we'll see if it comes out with no damage to the rest of the phone. Now I know from watching videos there's a ribbon cable in here somewhere, so I'm going to try to avoid that area. And hopefully it'll come out in one piece. corner with the worst damage is giving me some problems. Well, it's off. Does look like I might have cut the ribbon cable down here. Right here. But I'm hoping the new digitalizer will come with that, because that would suck. But as you guys can see, it is possible to get it to come out. Looks like I cut another ribbon cable up here. Oh, that's just great. Let me see if I can get the screen out. I'll make another video getting the screen out.